Hello friends, welcome to Hello Summer. Our hosts are DIY from House to Home, The Rustic Willow, and Our Gray House. Please check out their channel in my description box and the playlist of all the other amazing creators. Today I did 3 projects that would be perfect DIYs for summer wreaths. The first one is a wreath and a different way to do a wreath, and the other 2 is we made DIYs that can go on wreaths. You just glue them onto the wreath frame. Hope you enjoy my summertime DIYs. Okay, first, this is just a grapevine wreath, and I took a scarf. This isn't an American flag. This is just a scarf. So you could do any summer themed scarf and tie it around your grapevine and do the same thing. So the colors and the theme of this wreath doesn't matter. It's an idea of a different way to do a wreath. So you could do, say you found a scarf that you could, Dollar Tree has a lot of really pretty scarves for different holidays. Just tie that around your grapevine and let the tail hang down on your wreath. And this prevents you from having to buy so much ribbon and so much floral, because if you get these at the Dollar Tree, a $1.25 scarf is your main focus of your wreath. But you got to find one you really, really like. And then I just take a bow, make a bow, buy a bow, and I like to put a bow. And this is just a plain bow. This is just a burlap bow, which mine got kind of squashed. So if you have a bow that you might have made for a while and it got a little squished, here's how to unsquish it. Just take your fingers in there. Make sure your thumb and your finger here push down so it's not gonna, your bow's not gonna go anywhere. And then just get your fingers in there and pull those loops out. And get your fingers in there and fluff those loops out. Then take your, when your tails get squished, all you have to do is take a pencil, well, in my case, a glue stick, and go in there and just re-roll them. And pull them out and make them fluffy again. Or you can just do it without a pencil, because mine fell on the floor. Just re-roll and pull out these to make them a little bit more, not so crinkled up. Because if you have your wreaths in storage or you have your bows pre-made, sometimes they get a little crunched up. Then I just add my bow right here. I add it to the scarf. And then I just take some greenery, add some greenery. This has some white flowers in it. And you don't have to do a lot. let's try this. I like the bigger one here. And then we'll put this one up here. And you kind of shape it. You could just leave it right there, but I'm going to add just a couple blue flowers. And there is a quick, simple, I have company coming wreath that can be for your front door that looks gorgeous. And you can do the same theme, do these wreaths the same way, only change out your scarf for the different seasons and your florals, and you have a beautiful wreath. We're going to start out with a piece of felt. It can be any color. You could do this in red, white, and blue. You could do this in any color of your choice and of your decor. We're going to start out by, we're going to make a rectangle. No, we're actually going to make a no, it's not a lollipop, it's a, yeah, it's a, yeah. Of course the words just, as soon as I film, my words disappear. It's not a lollipop, it's a, yeah, it's in the freezer section of the grocery store. If you can think of the word, yeah, that's what we're making. And if you want to use a real popsicle, that's the word, popsicle stick, you can. But we can eat, and what and if you want yours shorter, you can too. These you can put these on a wreath. You can put these on a banner for your front of your fireplace. You could put these on your summer tree. It's really whatever you want to do with them. You could just glue these on a wreath form, and you would have the cutest summer wreath. You could even put summer across them. And you could do circles, you could do stripes like I'm doing. And just, okay, let's try it this way. Oh, there we go. Let's work on our popsicle. Now that I could figure out what it was. Sometimes my mind is the first thing that went. And if you don't want stripes on yours, you could do polka dots. You could even do pieces of ribbon across. You could not have anything on there and do letters spelling out a word. Say it's happy birthday, say it's for a birthday. Or hello summer, if this is a summer banner for your fireplace. Could be for a birthday party and spell out somebody's name. Another rectangle with our felt. We are going to make a pair of flip-flops. And you can use these on a wreath, you can use these on a banner, or on your summer tree. Okay, you could use jewels on this. You could use any of course, any color you choose. I'm using my favorite, black and turquoise, because I do a lot of decorating with those colors. You could do jewels, however you want to do your flip-flops. This is your chance to do your own flip-flops the way you want them to look. And if you want to add a flower to your flip-flop, which I think I'm going to add this one, add a beautiful flower to your flip-flop. It's however you want them to look, because this will be on your wreath, your banner, or your summer tree. And if you wanted to, you could put a letter here. Each flip-flop could spell out a different thing for your banner or for your wreath.